Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can fix your sensors if it's not working or having issues. It's simple, simply start by right-clicking your Start button. Then go on Device Manager. After opening it, find Sensor, click on it. And then click on this Results as well. Then after get in a bar like this, click on Driver, then come here and then update your sensor's driver. And then click on the first option. And as you can see, mine is up to date, so if yours had a problem, it's already fixed by now. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.